Hi friends and Potterheads, we are in the Goblet of Fire, chapter 13, Mad-Eye Moody, and in this chapter we have Malfoy back again teasing and harassing Ron. And in fact, in this particular chapter, he actually is shaming. He's going as far as shaming, and he's shaming him over Mr. Weasley, Mrs. Weasley, their house. There is a lot of shaming going on in this chapter, and that really hits Ron hard. And what's interesting, when you look at Brene Brown's work, she talks about shame having three particular elements that make it grow exponentially. And those elements, they are silence, secrecy, and judgment. And all three of these are present in the shaming that Ron is experiencing. He tries to hide his poverty. He tries to hide a little bit of his background. That's the silence, that's the secrecy of where he comes from. And then there's the judgment that comes from when Malfoy compares and uses the language that he does. But we can combat, so this is really important, we can combat that shame when we bring it out of the shadows and we share empathy with the person who is in a place of shame. And that's what Ron experiences with Harry and Hermione, is that Harry and Hermione take him by the side, take him into their fold, and they take away that shame. They give him a place of importance in their friendship group. They know where he comes from, and they are not afraid of it. They are not complicit in this mocking that Malfoy does of Ron, and they allow for there to be empathy and shared empathy with Ron to get him through. So where in your life might you be experiencing shame? Where is there secrecy? Where is there silence? Where is there judgment? And that could be you judging yourself, or it could be somebody else judging you. Where are those three things present? And how can you come out from the shadows of that? How can you involve the people in your lives to create empathy, those around you? It doesn't have to be somebody super close to you, but it has to be somebody who's present to the shaming, who sees the shame that you're experiencing and says, I'm okay. I'm not okay with this. I can have compassion and emotion for you. I want you to look at those elements and see how they play out for you in your life. I wish you all the best. We'll see you here next week. Take care. Bye now.